Hi, I'm Khalid, and you are watching Khaludi English Updates. In this video, you're going to learn about kinds of sentences. Sentences are of four kinds: statement, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Statements are sentences that give facts or describe events or things. They may be affirmative or negative. Clouds bring us rain. 20 soldiers died in the battle. Ours is a beautiful country. I have not seen her for a long time. A tiger does not eat grass. Interrogative. Interrogative sentence is used for asking questions. Did the president visit the town? Where can we get this book? Is she a pretty girl? Imperatives are used for requests, comments, suggestions, and etc. Order the dinner. Lend me your pen, please. Let us go out for picnic. Get ready to fire. Exclamatory sentences are used to express surprise, anger, regret, joy, etc. What a surprise! What a piece of work is man! How stupid of you to say that! Terrible!